Hello friends, this video on 3-dimensional geometry part 14 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 13. Let's take some examples. We have to find the shortest distance between the two lines where the equation of the lines is given. First thing we have to observe is, are these lines parallel? Because we have two different formula for parallel lines and non-parallel lines. So if you see these lines are not parallel, this is I can write this guy as, both are different actually, right? I can write this guy as some k into this, I can't write, so they are not parallel. So we'll use the normal conventional method. So D we have is nothing but B1 cross B2, A2 minus A1 vector by magnitude of B1 cross B2 vector. Correct? This formula we know. So here this guy is B1, this guy is B2, this guy is A1 and this guy is A2. Correct? So first let's find B1 cross B2 because that is required and magnitude of B1 cross B2. So we'll put the formula here and get the answer. So before that let's find B1 cross B2 here. This is nothing but I minus 3j plus 2k cross 2i plus 3j plus k. This is nothing but ijk 1 minus 3 2 and 2 3 1 2 3 1. Correct? This is nothing but I into minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 minus 3 into 2 is 6, right? Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9 plus minus j into 1 into 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 is plus 3 plus k into 1 into 3 is 3, 3 minus 6 is 9. So this I am using the normal method. If you are not comfortable in this, you can watch the vector chapter, the previous chapter where we have shown how to find a cross product. This is I got B cross B, right? This is right in a better way. That is minus 9i plus 3j plus 9k. So magnitude of B cross B will be the magnitude of this, that is root of minus 9 square plus 3 square plus 9 square, right? So this is 81 plus 9 plus 81, that is root 171, correct? And that is nothing but 3 root 19. So I got B cross B also. A2 minus A1 also let me find here. A2 minus A1 is nothing but this guy minus this guy, this guy minus this guy. A2 is what? 4i, 5j, 6k. 4i plus 5j plus 6k minus A1 is I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k. That is nothing but 4 minus 3, I is 3i, 5j plus 2i is 3j, 6 minus 3 is 3k. So let's put everything here. B1 cross B2 we found is this guy. Minus 9i plus 3j plus 9k. Dot A2 minus A1 we got this guy. 3i, 3j, 3k. 3i plus 3j plus 3k. By magnitude of this was 3 root 19. You solve there, this is nothing but minus 9 into 3 is minus 27 plus 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, this guy is 27 by 3 root 19. Gets cancelled. The answer is 9 by 3 root 19, that is 3 by root 19, and that is the answer. The shortest distance between them is 3 root 19. Not that difficult. I had these two equations. I wrote this in A1 plus lambda B1 and A2 plus mu B2 form. Use this formula, just solve it, got the answer. The first thing I checked was the lines are parallel or not. Let's take one more example. Here it is not in this fashion, it's the other way fashion. So here also I can directly use the formula or convert this into the R vector form. I like that conversion, so I'll just convert this guy. This guy is nothing but line passing through these points and parallel to this will become minus I minus j minus k plus lambda into 7 minus 6 1 7i minus 6j plus k. This is my R1. R2 I'll get is 357. So 3i plus 5j plus 7k plus lambda into 1 minus 2 and minus 1 minus 2 and 1 I minus 2j plus k. So this is my equation, lambda 1. Right? So this is my A vector, A1 vector, this is my B1 vector, this is my A2 vector, and this is my B2 vector. I know the formula. D is nothing but B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 by magnitude of B1 cross B2. So let's do one thing. Let's find these values. So let's find B1 cross B2. Same thing I am doing in the last example which I did. Right. The first thing before doing this, make sure it is parallel or not. So we see that they are not parallel because B1, B2 are not parallel. That means the lines are not parallel. Right. Also, one more thing, you to note that this line has to be in the format defined. So if you see this is a line in the format defined only x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. In one question we solved that we found this was 7x1, 5y1, something of that form. So we convert it first into x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 forms. In this case, it's already in this form, so we will not convert that. So I simply found b1 cross b2. That is this cross this. That is 7i minus 6j plus k cross I minus 2j plus k. Right? So this will come out to be, I'll not solve this for you. This will be minus 16i minus 36j minus 64k. So you can solve this on your own using cross product. Similarly, b1 cross b2 magnitude will be root of this minus 16 square plus minus 36 square plus minus 64 square. Correct? And sorry, this will come out to be 4 and this will be 6 and this will be 4. I can solve this actually. Why to get confusion? Because I don't know the value. So let's solve this. I j k 7 minus 6 1 1 minus 2 1. I into minus 6 plus 4 minus 4 minus j into 7 minus 1 6 minus 6 k into 14 minus 14 plus 6, right? Minus 14 plus 6, that is minus 8. So this will be the value actually. We got it actually. So b1 cross b2 will be minus 4 square is 6. I will solve this now. It will be root of minus 4 square plus minus 6 square plus minus 8 square. So this will be actually 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 8 square 64, and this is 64, 36, 100, 116 root of 116 is what we get. And root of 116 I can write as 2 root 29. Similarly, you have to find a2 minus a1 also. So a2 minus a1 will be nothing but this guy 3i plus 5j plus 7k minus a1 minus I minus j minus k minus I minus j minus k. Solve this becomes 4i plus 5 plus 1 6j plus 7 plus 1 8k. Right? You put the values here. So d becomes, this guy is minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k dot a2 minus 7 is this guy. So I'll write dot here. 4i plus 6j plus 8k, the whole thing divided by 2 root 29. So this becomes minus 4 into 4 minus 16, minus 6 into 6 is again minus 36, minus 8 into 8 is minus 64 by 2 root 29, and that is minus 116 by 2 root 29. Since it is a distance, I will take the magnitude of this. So this becomes 116 by 2 root 29. And that is my answer. Correct? And this is also equal to 2 root 29. This is also equal to 2 root 29. And that is my answer. Let's take one more example. We need to find shortest distance between these two lines. So this line is nothing but I, you take t common, right? I minus 2j, I minus 2j, and this becomes 3k. So what I am doing is I am converting this line into a plus lambda b form plus t into minus I, this is done, plus j, done, minus 2k. This is one equation and this is my R1. This R2 I can write same thing as this into a plus lambda b form. So this becomes I minus j plus minus k plus s into I plus 2j minus 2k. Correct? So this is I minus 2j plus 3k minus I plus j minus 2k. This is I minus jk, I 2jk. First thing is, are these line parallels? No, they are not parallel. You see, these lines are not parallel, right? Because this guy and this guy are not parallel. So same thing I have to use. This is A1, this is B1, this is A2, this is B2. Use the same formula. D is equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by magnitude of B1 cross B2. Correct? So we solve this. I'll not exactly solve this here. So if you see B1 cross B2 will be nothing but this guy is minus I plus j minus 2k cross I plus 2j minus 2k. So if you do a cross product, what you'll get is 2i minus 4j minus 3k. I'm not solving this for you. You can solve this on your own. And B1 cross B2 magnitude will be root of 2 square plus minus 4 square plus minus 3 square. Correct? That is root of 4 plus 16 plus 9, that is root of 29. So I got B1 cross B2 magnitude also. I need A2 minus A1. So this guy will be this guy minus this guy, that is this guy is I minus j minus k minus I minus 2j minus 3k. I minus 2j plus 3k. So this comes out to be I cancel, right? Minus j plus 2j. So j minus k minus 3k minus 4k. Just put the values here. So this becomes j minus 4k. This j dot B1 cross B2 is this guy. 2i minus 4j minus 3k. And magnitude of this guy is nothing but root 29. So if you solve this, this becomes j into minus 4 is minus 4 and minus 4k into minus 3 is plus 12 by root 29, that is 8 by root 29, and that is my answer. Correct? Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.